The case of carcinoma scrotum. So we with bilateral inguinal lymph nodes clinically positive. So we have started with inguinal femoral lymph node dissection. So this is the incision till here we have taken below the inguinal crease. So after developing the flaps, can you hold it here, protector? So this is the saphenous vein that has been preserved, and you can see the boundaries. This is the inguinal ligament, this is the sartorius muscle, this is adductor longus, this is the pedicle which is going towards the adductor longus, and this is the femoral nerve, this is the saphenous nerve that we have dissected and preserved, and this is here you can see this is the femoral artery, this is the femoral vein, and as there was lymph node positive at the femoral ring known as Cabana's lymph node, so we have proceeded with pelvic lymph node dissection. So in starting with pelvic lymph node dissection, we have given a split in the external oblique aponeurosis, then we have cut the conjoint tendon and transverse abdominis muscle, and this is the inferior epigastric vessels which is arising from common iliacs from here. So this we have ligated, and after ligating we have developed the plane, and we have opened this area extraperitoneally, and after retraction this is the status. So we are going to put a gauze for retraction in the femoral ring, so like this. So this will be used for retraction. So you can see this is the femoral ring going medial to the femoral vessels like this, and you can see here this is the inferior epigastric vessels, and you can see this is the ilioinguinal nerve. So this is the external iliac artery, the external iliac vein, and you can see we have dissected. This is the pubic bone and lighthouse sign that can be seen. We have ligated the accessory obturator vein, and this is the inferior boundary of pelvic lymph node dissection, which is obturator nerve. So we have dissected everything. You can see the ureter over there. So we have done complete ilioinguinal lymph node dissection, and we'll send everything for histopathological examination. Thank you. So in this case, as femoral vessels are exposed, so this is the femoral artery and vein. So we are going to take the sartorius muscle from the insertion, and we are going to buttress the vessels with the sartorius transposition. Thank you.